welcome to Happy Muncher, and welcome to Batumi vlogs. Today it's evening, it's almost 7 p.m. and I just want to walk around and show you the beautiful lit buildings and the night scene. I want to show you the dancing fountains. They look so good, guys. The dancing fountain is one of the top attractions here in Batumi. I just want to share it with you guys. But so far it looks so beautiful. The buildings are lit up. It's a really bright city, to be honest with you. Yeah, so let's do this little walk tour and I'll just share everything that I see around with you guys. So stick around, my loves. See you in a bit. Wow, look at the Georgian flag, guys, on the OBCT towers. This is where I'm staying, and these buildings, guys, they have like beautiful lighting at night, evening lights. They change, and it's my first time to see the Georgian flag, to be honest with you. It looks absolutely amazing. Wow. So this changes, actually it changes in different colors. There'll be purple, blue, green in a bit. Let's see the transformation. Wow, this is so cool. I didn't know the flag also comes up. Honestly, I didn't know this, but this is so cool. Amazing, honestly. And that's my favorite building, all the way down there, courtyard. All the buildings here in Batumi, they have amazing lighting in the evening. Like, the city is so bright, like extremely bright. Wow, there it is. It changed colors, guys. Woo-wee! Wow, this is so amazing. So like, these towers used to be two, but I see that they built another one on the other side. So amazing, guys. Okay, let's keep walking because I want to show you the dancing fountain. It's not dancing right now, but it will later on. Wow. So cool. I just want to walk on the other side because I want to show you some other cool buildings that have beautiful lighting. Like, there's another hotel called Ramada by something. It also has some amazing lighting, so let us go. There's the dancing fountain. It's dancing now. Wow, so cool, guys. Guys, this is a very beautiful city at night. Look at that. All these buildings with some amazing lighting, and that's OBCT. You'll definitely enjoy walking at night in Batumi. Absolutely worth it. Ooh la la, so pretty. These literally dance to music. They play a certain music and they dance. Actually, today is a bit cold, guys. Winter is here already. It's a really cold evening. Everyone is wearing their hoodies, sweats and jackets. But anyway, let's take a little bit of a walk, and then yeah, I'm gonna head back to my apartment after. I'm still going to the other side to see what's happening because I can hear some music and all of that. I'm on the other side of the lake because I want to show you guys these beautiful views at night.
Birds are waking me up. I never knew how.
Wow guys, so I'm on the other side and these are the views. So beautiful, undeniably beautiful, guys. Look at all these lights. Woohoo! Albi City. Wow. And the reflection of these lit up buildings on this lake is so cool. Look. Wow. Look at that, guys. Literally. Wow. Amazing.
As we dance, as we dance, as we dance, as we dance, as we dance.
These are fun rides. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. Ooh, these ones give you the maximum adrenaline. I'll definitely try one of these very soon. Wow, this is so dope. That's so scary. There are literally 2 kids in that boat. Literally 2 kids. And this rotating one. I don't know, guys. Would you try these? I've seen this one a lot. And I think this is the one that I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm walking through this park and I'm headed back to my apartment, but something to show you, they also have these little games in parks. I think this is called ping pong. Yeah, as you can see, people are playing. So cool. This is why I'm saying you can never be bored in Batumi. There is always something to do. Guys, this is the end of my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the dancing fountain, the beautiful lit up buildings of Batumi at night. It's basically what I've shown you on my last video in the afternoon. The difference is the night when everything is lit up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme.